Python Argparse ignore unrecognized arguments. Optparse, the old version, just ignores all unrecognized arguments and carries on. In most situations, this isn't ideal and was changed in Argparse. But there are a few situations where you want to ignore any unrecognized arguments and parse the ones you've specified. For example, is there any way to overwrite this?
Replace with. For example, actually Argparse does still ignore _unrecognized _args. As long as these unrecognized arguments don't use the default prefix, you will hear no complaints from the parser. Using it a nutboost configuration but with the standard parse.parse _args, if we were to execute our program with the following arguments, we will have this namespace data collection to work with. If we wanted the default prefix ignored, we could change the argument parser and decide we are going to use a+ for our recognized arguments instead. The same command will produce. Put that in your pipe and smoke it, smiley face. Enjoy.
You can put the remaining parts into a new argument with parser.add_argument args, nargs equals argparse.remainder if you want to use them.